on some Bearpaws. We're gonna use Mod Podge and glitter. Let's get it. Alright, so first we're gonna be applying Mod Podge to the shoe. You're gonna want to apply a nice thin layer of Mod Podge. Now that we applied a thin layer, it's time to put some glitter on. You're going to want to repeat this process 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 layers on the boot. I'm letting you guys know right now, this causes a whole lot of mess. So make sure you have like paper towels or something underneath to capture all the glitter. Now that we're done 2 to 3 layers, we sealed it with Mod Podge. For all pandas, we're going to use 2 to 3 layers. Now we're going to do the back. This is the final product. After the Mod Podge sealed and dried up, we're going to spray with waterproof spray. You can use Rejuvenator or any type of waterproof spray. If you guys like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social medias. Thank you.